is no transition out of this. Nothing was entered, nothing was altered. What remains is what was already present once. Unnecessary movement. Stop. The condition does not peak. It does not resolve. It does not fade. It persists because nothing replaces it. What once felt like effort now feels irrelevant. Things that once demanded response no longer carries weight. Because nothing extra is being done. The structure that was noticed over these days does not belong to a sequence. It does not depend on repetition or maintenance. It does not improve. It remains. At some point, the idea of a method stops being useful. It didn't fail. It just separated from what is happening. The challenge ends where it began, without a beginning. Nothing concludes